So this is an extremely exciting toy for a 16th century nobleman. It's a beautifully fine piece. The steel itself is of a high quality, even before it got beautifully inlaid with this gold filigree that you see here. And it's called a Spetum. You'll see what the shape of the Spetum is like in a moment. And it's a folding Spetum. It's got this hinge in the center with these little catches, these button releases. And imagine some nobleman in Germany in the mid-1600s, mid-16th century, pops out of his carriage, attended by 6 bodyguards armed with this. Boom. And his neighbors are green with envy. This is a really impressive little piece of 16th century technology. And I won't do it with such an old piece, but you can really imagine these guys step out and give the thing a flick, and it comes all into shape, just like that. The folding Spetum. This is the finest example of its kind in the world.